guys, so it's Eden. I'm trying to get into my content creator bag, so I'm trying to be more active on my social media and I'm trying to work with more brands. Well, yeah, you should go ahead and check out all my other social media so you can stay up to date for all the good things that I have on the way. Okay, so today's video is a wig unboxing. I got it from Yeknass official. I was fortunate enough to be able to just go ahead and show you guys. I don't know why I sound so nervous. I am a little bit. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm fortunate enough to be able to go ahead and do this on behalf of them. So let's get right into it, okay? So it looks like they outsourced their wigs because it does say swoop pod on the bag here. It's a, it's a standard silk bag. It usually comes with your wigs so you can keep them, especially your human hair wigs, so you can keep them in something silk that helps to not dry it out and stuff like that. So it does say swoop pod here. I guess this is where they outsource their wig from, again, like I mentioned, but I definitely did go on the Yeknass official website itself and choose the wig that I wanted. So yeah, I guess they outsource their wig, but you can be rest assured you're getting the best quality that there is, and I'll be able to show that to you in this video. Okay, so we got that, and they always have goodies in the back, which is something I always loved watching, like the wig videos. I love getting free stuff, guys, so this is like the highlight. This is like a grab bag for me. But it comes with 2 wig caps. This is standard. I don't use wig caps for my wig installs, but I mean, it's something good to have if you decide you do want to. And again, there's more products, more free stuff, thank God. And then this is a headband. I don't really use headbands. If you want to wear the wig as a headband wig, you can go ahead and use this. Okay, I think there's one last thing in here, and it is a pair of lashes. I think my favorite pair of lashes was actually lashes I got on Amazon for free. I could never find that same style again, and I think it was my perfect style. Like, it complements my eyes and everything. But yeah, can you guys guess what color the wig is? I forgot to have you guys like guess before. So you could go ahead, pause the video, you put your guess in the comments right now, and we'll see who is correct, okay? But let's do the official unboxing, and the color is... she's bright, she's bold, and she's red. Reddish orange. It's such a pretty color. Oh my god. I'm in love. Like, I was a little bit nervous because, it's a little bit on the brighter side of auburn, but I feel like it will go well with my skin tone, so we'll see. So it is a 13 by 4. It's 200% density, and it is 22 inches. It did say it was glueless, so I do have the option to wear it as a glueless, or actually go ahead and glue that down. Let's get her out of here. Do you see how this just curls perfectly? Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Okay, so let me get her out so we can get a closer look. Off bat, like without it coming off or anything, the lace looks so good. Like, the knots are pretty good on here also. Okay, so let's get a closer look, because so far, guys, this does look like it's the real deal. Okay, so a closer look. The knots definitely do look pretty good. You can bleach them, but I think I'd be able to get away with this with some foundation without having to do too much. And as you can see, it's pre-plucked, so you have your baby hairs here. You can still pluck it a little bit, but for me, this would also be fine. I want things to be as simple as possible, which brings us to the fact that it already has one of those glueless bands, and it's definitely adjustable, so you can adjust it tighter or looser if you'd like. And it comes with the clips, so you can be rest assured that it's super secure. In terms of parting space, it does have a decent amount of space. Again, it's a 13 by 4, so this does look like it's a good enough parting space. And then that's all of the lace right there, so that looks pretty good. In terms of parting, let me go ahead and try to see how that would look. Yeah, this does look pretty good, guys. It looks like it's legit. Yeah, it's definitely legit, and look how soft it is. It just glides all the way through. And look at that beautiful color. Oh my god. Let me go ahead and comb this out. So as you can see, in terms of length, it's pretty good. I love the color on it. Definitely satisfied. It's pretty good. And it's super soft as well. And it's definitely given all 22 inches. So this is the stretch length. It's definitely given all 22 of the inches like it said it would. So I definitely think this, I would give this a go. This is a go ahead for me. I do know that sometimes people, like, they promo these wigs, they sell them to you, you buy it and you don't get the same quality. Like, I've seen a lot of people, like, on TikTok shop, you know, they're selling something or they're reviewing something and that's not the same product that you get as a buyer, which really pissed me off. So I'm trying to build my page also on integrity. So definitely you can take a look at the material for yourself. It's pretty good. And the lace with some tinting, I feel like that would just blend right in. So yeah, and that is basically it. I'm pretty satisfied with her. I'm happy with what I got in terms of the wig, the content, everything. And then we can go ahead and put our goodies back in there. So that was everything I was able to get. Yeah, so you could go ahead and check them out and you could have a unit like this for yourself. I'll go ahead and tag their Instagram and the caption, and you could go ahead and check out their website. Again, it's Yeknass Official. And yeah, you could go ahead and get something just like this. So that's it. Have a wonderful rest of the day and take care.